Mike up the trail. Mike coming up KFC. I don't know, Mike. I don't know. Yeah.
Come passenger, Mike. You got it. There you go, passenger. A little more passenger. There you go. Now come on.
I think that driver backs down in that hole. Mike, I think you're down in the hole. You might want to back up and go at it again. That driver's side rear's in that wedge.
It is funny though, the difference on the wheelbases. Four-door walks right out of it. Two doors are having problems. Then there's other places where two doors is just like,
Yeah.
It's amazing how that.
yep.
I mean,
Just
no, that don't do it.
Yeah.
But it does. It transfers that load differently.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. That's the way the load's set on it. Traction.
The only thing, or one of the biggest thing holding the four doors back is the ground clearance.
Yeah.
I don't have the ground clearance.
Once my brake tires go over something, I come down so fast in the center. That's usually what gets me.
Oh, for sure. All of it.
Like you were talking about, I was sitting on my slider. Even though you can paw at it a little bit, it will turn you, it will wiggle you in them holes and put you all in a bad spot real quick.
There he goes. There's the line.
That's the same line I just
Pop it right there.
Watch that one. Yeah. You're back in the same spot again, Mike.
We're trying to figure out where we're going from here.
Right?
Yes.
Next brown rock.
Same rock. Just give it okay down.
Where we going? At this point, I'm kind of lost.
Yeah, it's swing that.
Tell anybody that.
You just keep driving. Just wheel. Watch down the way.
There you go.
We were trying some new stuff. Why are there no tire tracks here?
I think he's coming up it now.
Come on.
Keep coming. Keep it going. There he goes.
Go passenger. Or, yeah, go passenger. There you go.